You cannot reach your hand in my car. You guys can't. Why are you reaching? Why are you reaching in my car?
So are you refusing to give me a breath sample? Yes or no?
Legally.
Are you? Yes or no?
She thought refusing the officer's request would be simple, but reality hit her straight in the face.
Wait, I'm not resisting. Excuse me, my purse. Hold on, my foot's stuck in the seat.
Search the car because he just been arrested. It's called a search incident to arrest. So keep talking. Sit down and shut up because you're an entitled little brat.
Oh my God, no.
From an ordinary U-turn, everything spiraled so fast that no one had time to hit the brakes. The smell of alcohol hits the moment the car door opens, but the entire group insists, we don't know anything. A lie begins right here.
Where y'all come from?
We just want to go home. Like, we didn't know. We thought he was sober. He told us he was sober. We want to go home.
It literally smelled like alcohol in this car right now.
Well, it wasn't us. We literally came from suburban.
Oh, okay, you can't smell the alcohol in the car. You can't smell it.
I'm 21.
That ain't what I asked you. You can't smell it. You said you didn't know. You can't smell the alcohol the way I just walked up and smelled it. So you clearly knew he was drinking because we can smell it.
Well,
so,
I didn't know he was drinking, and he told us he was sober enough to drive us home.
What's in that
water.
cup?
It's water. It's
so you knew he had been drinking. But he told you he was sober enough to drive home. Is what he told you.
Yes. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah.
That's what he told us, and we believed him. And I'm sorry, we were just trying to get home.
You literally just said something totally different. You said we didn't know he had been drinking. That's the first thing you said when I walked up, and I didn't even ask for that.
I'm really freaking out, but
no need to freak out. You ain't driving.
I know, but like I just want to get home. Like he told us he could get us home.
You will be home eventually. How old is your friend then back?
You can talk to her.
Yeah. Let the one down for me. Can you let it down? Yeah. Hello. Hi.
I just want to get home.
Where you live at?
I'm scared.
What you scared about?
I live in Houston.
What you scared? What you scared of?
I'm just scared because like my friend driving was like, oh, I'm sober.
Can you move that jacket right there?
I don't know what that is.
He told us he was okay to drive. I literally swear to God.
Okay, put that back right there, and not keep it right there, and don't pour it out. Just keep it right there.
One careless sentence revealed her real age and how much she had been drinking. From an ordinary passenger, the young woman suddenly became a legal target.
She can come and pick you up. Yes. Where's your mom or whoever you want to call? You can call an Uber or whoever.
Can I call an Uber to come get?
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. That's fine. But
can you tell my mom that so she knows, please?
Hey, Mom, can you hear me?
No, she can. That's my little sister. She can come with me, right?
No, your little sister been drinking. Your little sister about to get a citation because she been drinking. I can smell it on her too. She's back there with alcohol. So because of this, I'm gonna breathalyze her, and if she has alcohol, she's gonna get a citation. But your mom can't come pick y'all up, okay?
Can the Uber get us?
Yes. Go ahead. All right, you told me you've been drinking, and you said you were drinking at the house.
You can't give me a citation.
Yeah. I physically can, and I am. I legally can, because you just told me you was drinking, and you're 20.
At my mom's house.
It doesn't matter. You said, are you of age? Oh, yeah, you can, but you're gonna give me a breath test, or I'm gonna cite you because you have alcohol in your system. You said I can't?
No.
Okay, you can call your mom. So what?
You legally can't give me a citation.
Yeah, I legally can, and I can legally take you to jail for it too because you just told me you have alcohol in your system. So do you want to go to jail too? Do you want to play that game? Do you want to play it?
Sophia.
Whoa, do you want to play that game?
I don't.
That's a yes or no question.
Mom.
So okay. So this man.
Officer McGee.
Okay, so an officer is saying that he wants to give me a citation, but he legally can't breathalyze me.
Okay.
Right?
You have been drinking.
Yes, I have been.
Okay, and are you 21?
No, I'm
That is illegal, correct?
It is illegal.
So either
I was drinking at my mom's house with my mother.
No. You just told me you just left a bar, is what you just said, and you said you drunk at home, so I don't believe that. So I'm going to write your side. Either you can give me a breath sample or not, and if you refuse to sign it, then I'm going to take you to jail. But you're going to have a citation, either way it go. You just told me you left a bar, right or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes, I did, but
Okay.
The warnings were repeated over and over, but her defiant attitude drained the officer's patience, and everything began to spiral out of control.
So so are you refusing to give me a breath sample? Yes or no?
Your mother.
Are you?
My mother.
No, your mama don't have anything to do with what's about to happen right now. Are you refusing to give me a breath sample? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you, yes or no?
Can you please stop yelling at me for a second?
No, because I don't have time for this. Entitlement.
Okay, then breathalyze me. Go ahead and do it.
Take a deep breath. Blow. Keep blowing till I tell you to stop. Keep blowing till I tell you to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep blowing until I tell you to stop. Keep blowing until I say stop.
As hard as I could. Sophia, just take it.
Step out.
Can I have my phone right now?
Yeah, you can get your phone. Step out. Have a seat right there in front of my car on the curb.
Do I need to get in the car?
Nope. Just have a seat on the curb. Hey, Megan. Come over here and have a seat on the curb for me. You fine? Just have a seat on the curb. All right. Okay, that's fine. I already talked to her mom. Mom's good.
Just for failing to stay silent at the right moment, the story ended in handcuffs, criminal charges, and a lesson she'll never forget.
Search the car because he just been arrested. It's called a search incident to arrest. So keep talking. Sit down and shut up. No, you need to be quiet. It's what you need to do.
Oh my God, I'm 19 years old.
It doesn't matter. No, you're not 19.
You have no right to
Yes, I do. You need to be quiet.
You need to
He is executing his rights and the law, and he's doing his job, and you prevent him from doing that. So you need to shut up and sit down like we asked you to do, or you'll be going to jail too. So shut up.
There is no reason to yell at me.
Well, you need to be, yes it is, because you're an entitled little brat, and we're trying to do our job, and you hindering us from doing that.
No.
So be quiet.
Stop. But there's no reason to yell at me when I've done nothing wrong.
Keep talking.
No. There's no reason to yell at me when I've done nothing wrong. These are my card. I have no reason to yell. No, absolutely not. Stop that.
Hey, listen, if you keep talking, you are going to go to jail for disorderly conduct. This is my...
Shoot me. Okay.
Stand up.
Oh my God, no. You're about to arrest me for what?
Disorderly conduct. I have asked you to be quiet. No. Turn around.
Oh my God.
10-4. I'm 10-15 one time.
I didn't do anything wrong.
You out here cussing. I asked you to be quiet. You want to keep talking, playing the game? No. First of all, you got anything on you that I need to know about? Anything on you that'll stick me, poke me, or cut me?
I got nothing on me.
Turn around. All right, come on, let's go.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
Stand up.
What are you doing?
Unlock my door.
What are you doing to me? I didn't do anything wrong. I really didn't. Oh my God.
Anything in the back of the car gonna belong to you. Stand up.
I have nothing on me.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Lean back. Lean back.
Oh my God.
So she's under arrest for disorderly conduct and possession of alcohol under the age of 21.
And you did not read my Miranda rights. And you said, yeah, I don't need to read you your Miranda rights. Yeah, that's what you said. And I arrested in the car. Like, oh my God. Do you think I'm going to beat the car?
11:45. Ace records sensitive.
Please get me out of this car and put in a different car right now. Please. Just please. After you arrested me for doing absolutely nothing. Not even drunk driving. Drinking under the age, yes. But that is literally the least thing that you need to worry about. And you arrested me for absolutely nothing.
In California, individuals under 21 are not permitted to possess or consume alcohol. Penalties may include fines of approximately $250 to $1,000, 24 to 32 hours of community service, and a 1-year driver's license suspension. Or, if they do not yet have a license, a 1-year delay in eligibility. She would be arrested for disorderly conduct and obstruction of official duties, facing criminal citations, a permanent record, and the possibility of appearing in court, just staying silent for 30 seconds. Far cheaper than a criminal record. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? A seemingly harmless U-turn, but minutes later, police began to suspect something was off. A strange odor, tangled paperwork, and a night that was anything but quiet
Officer Ashop, I'm insurance. You okay?
No, I'm fine. I was following my navigation. I missed a turn that said make a U-turn, so.
Oh, okay. I'll give you a light to help you out.
So is this
That's the registration. We're looking for the vehicle insurance.
I have it in my phone.
In your phone?
Yes, I do. I have it in my phone.
Which
It's AAA.
AAA?
Yes.
Do you have like a mobile app or anything like that?
Well, that's what I know I put everything in my notes, so I just don't know what it's under, so I put in AAA.
I got you.
Oh, here's AAA card. Oh, here it is. Insurance documents.
Can you zoom in on it so it shows like your policy number and which vehicle it's assigned to and everything?
I just don't know what it looks like here. Everything's covered on, so.
No worries. And where are you heading to?
I was going home.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in PJ.
Oh, okay. What, PJ National?
Yes.
Okay. All right. How much alcohol do you drink tonight?
I don't have anything.
Nothing at all?
I'm a cancer patient right now.
You're what?
I'm a cancer patient. I'm currently under.
Are you taking medication right now?
No, I'm doing.
Or in treatment?
No, I'm doing treatment. I'm doing radiation therapy.
You're in radiation right now?
Yes.
Okay. What were you drinking in your cup right there?
In my cup?
Mm-hmm.
My cup. This is my wormwood and blackwood walnut.
Do you mind if I see it?
Well, no. I understand that's an unreasonable search and seizure.
That's an unreasonable
There's
search and
nothing
seizure?
in my cup. It's empty. There's nothing in there.
I can literally hear something rolling around in there. I just want to see what liquid you have in there.
There's no liquid in it. There's nothing in there but ice. I have wormwood and black walnut oil.
Okay.
She said she was sober. They said otherwise. When a sobriety test was suggested, everything began to slip out of control.
All right. Do you take any chemical controlled substances, narcotics, anything like that?
No.
That might impair you? No? Do you take any
No,
medication?
I'm not impaired. I was following my navigation. I'm new to Florida.
Okay,
I just came from California.
Okay, do you take
it
any...
It said make a U-turn.
I understand, all right, but you still need to follow the law and road signs and everything.
Of course.
Do you take any medications you shouldn't be taking while operating heavy machinery?
No.
Okay.
No, I haven't done anything wrong. I was following my navigation. It said make a U-turn. I made a U-turn and y'all pulled me over. That was it.
Okay. So why am I smelling the odor of alcohol coming off of you?
You can say that, but you're not.
I'm not? Oh, okay. So you weren't drinking at all?
No, I haven't had anything to drink at all. I'm in radiation therapy.
Do you have a Florida license?
I do.
Patricia, can I see your eyes, please? Can you take your glasses off for me?
I haven't had anything to drink. If you would like me to get this for you, I could do it, but...
Okay. Yeah.
I do have a picture of my Florida license.
You don't have your actual license on you, ma'am, that's what I'm saying.
Well...
Can I see... Here, let me see your license, ma'am. The picture that you have.
I have my Florida one. It will come up. I just don't know what it's saved exactly under. So I'm typing in driver's license. And this is my California license. I will find you my Florida one.
The Taylor warning was read out. Refusal, arguments, constitutional claims, one decision that could change the entire night and the legal record.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I got off the time.
All right, Patricia, listen. Hey, you can time out with that. Listen, I'm a little concerned that you might be driving while impaired, all right? You're telling me you're not drinking, all right, but what I'm smelling and seeing is a little different. All right, so I'll make sure that's not the case, all right? So I want you to just do a few standardized exercises for me just to make sure that's not the case. You're not impaired.
That's a violation of the First Amendment.
It's not a violation of your First Amendment at all. I don't think you understand the Constitution. Okay,
absolutely is.
So here's what's going to happen. Time out, all right? Because right now you're refusing to do the exercises, all right?
You don't have a reasonable articulation that I've committed any kind of crime.
Time out. Oh,
I made
absolutely,
a U-turn. Wait a second.
Time
Hold
out.
on. Do you have your camera on?
It's absolutely recording everything that's happening.
I made a U-turn based on my camera in my car that said make a U-turn.
Okay.
And Mr. Turner
All right,
said
Patricia,
make
time
a
out.
U-turn.
So listen, I'm going to advise you right now what's called your Taylor warning, so you need to listen because it's 3 parts. Number 1, by you refusing to comply with the exercise that I'm requesting that you do, you're not going to be able to dispel my concern that you're operating a motor vehicle tonight while impaired by an alcoholic beverage and or chemical under controlled substance. Number 2, you're going to force me to make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances. Do you understand what that means? That means everything
I understand. I was married to a police sergeant,
okay.
So I understand exactly.
Perfect.
All
And number
my
3,
rights.
your refusal may be used against you in court, all right?
It may be used against me in court, but you guys
All
don't
right,
have
so
a right because I made a
keeping that warning in
U-turn
mind, will you do these
based on
exercises to dispel my concern?
No, because I know exactly what you
All
can
right.
see when you pull someone out of your car unless you get a warrant to pull me out of my car by a judge. You can't.
The car door opened against her will, shouting, struggling, handcuffs snapping shut. The price of refusing to comply.
Do it.
I don't need to.
You may not. That's
fine.
violation of. You cannot reach your hand in my car.
Fucking
You
touch
guys
his
can't.
hand.
Why are you
Do
reaching?
not touch his hand.
Why are you reaching in my car?
Do not touch his hand.
Why are you reaching in my car? Why are you reaching in my car?
Because you're under arrest right now. Step out of the
For
car.
what? Wait, I'm watching you. You're violating my Fourth Amendment and my First Amendment, right? You're violating my First Amendment, right? Wait.
Step out of the car.
Hold on. I'm not resisting. I'm
Step out of the car.
Excuse me.
Step out of the
My
car.
purse.
Step out of the car.
You
Step out of the car.
hold on, my foot's stuck in the seat. You guys, my foot's stuck in. Oh my God, you're breaking my ankle. Oh my gosh, you guys, my foot. You can see my heel stuck under the seat.
Take your foot out of there.
Take your foot out.
God, you guys.
Take it out.
Your foot out.
Hold on.
Drop your phone.
No, I
Let
have the
go.
First Amendment right to
Of your
that.
phone.
Now you just broke my First Amendment right.
Take your foot out of there, ma'am.
Foot out.
Guys,
Turn your body.
my heel is stuck in there.
There you go.
Okay,
Step
now.
up. Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
You're under arrest.
For what? For what? What are you arresting
Stop
me
turning.
for? Is your camera on?
Yes,
Yep,
it's on,
it
ma'am.
on.
Name the badge on it.
Officer Sheriff, that's
Tomorrow 511.
What am I being arrested for?
You aren't resisting an officer.
I haven't resisted anything.
Absolutely did.
No,
It was easy. You didn't have to do all that.
Can you, hold on. Can you guys, please, could you grab my purse from the ground, please?
Hold on.
You know, officer.
Hand me my phone back, because I have the right to record what is happening. I have my First Amendment right.
We're recording you, right? We're recording everything that's going
Can you
on, okay?
please grab my purse?
Yeah, we're gonna pick it up. Hold on.
Thank
You know,
you.
officer first.
You guys, this is ridiculous.
All you did was comply.
Well, comply?
Absolutely.
Well, first of all, I have the right to be safe and secure in my
Correct.
persons and my papers.
And everybody else on the road here has a right to be safe and secure
guys,
from
my-
impaired drivers.
My Alexa said make a U-turn. I made a U-turn and now you guys arrested me.
Patricia was charged with DUI and obstruction of law enforcement. The outcome, the DUI was dismissed, but she was convicted of nonviolent obstruction, leaving her with a criminal record and a costly legal lesson. What begins as a routine traffic stop, but a few simple questions send everything off the rails and the tension starts to escalate.
So yeah, all the way down, please.
Can you come this side?
No, okay, so Officer Kelly, I know the reason I stopped you for your speed and your tag's expired. Can you please roll the window down all the way?
How far is all the way?
All the way, like all the way down.
Sorry, I don't understand what the all the way is.
Okay, let me get your license from you.
No, I'm literally asking you.
All the way down.
Like, okay.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Can I have your license and proof of insurance
Yes, no
from you?
problem.
Yeah, so Shales is a 30 right there, and so you're going 50, so you're 20 over, so a little bit fast, okay?
My pedometer is not reading it correctly, so I don't know what it says. So
Okay,
I apologize if it doesn't read what you're reading is. So thank you for letting me aware.
Yeah.
Be aware. Okay.
Where are you headed to tonight?
Home.
Home?
Yes.
Do you have insurance in the car as well?
I can do that for
All right, I appreciate it, thank you.
It's on here. Can I give you the email version?
Yeah, if you have it on your phone, that's fine.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
My home. So
You're going home? And you're coming from home?
No. I came out, and then my friend had a birthday party, and she had a situation, and I went with her.
How much have you had to drink tonight? Tonight? You just not gonna answer, or? Because you've got a couple empty shooters on the ground. Right there, it looks like 3 of them. You can't have 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, like I explained to people previously, there's multiple people that drive my car. So.
Okay, it doesn't matter, you're still in possession of it, okay?
Okay,
So
I understand. That's
it's
fine.
not, I mean, it's
No
probably
problem.
just not a good idea, even if someone else is drinking them in your car, to leave them there, okay?
I got you.
When paperwork became the excuse, voices shifted in tone, and the air around the vehicle heated up by the second.
5 people that came over to my car already.
It's only me and the officer that stopped
Okay,
you.
thank you. Like, they harassing me. Like, what the is going on?
How am I harassing you?
Bro,
All I asked was for your insurance, that's it.
I have my insurance. I gave you my insurance card already.
No, you did not.
Apologies. My apologies.
No, you're fine. This is just...
No, I'm not saying anything. My brother's coming. He'll have the insurance, all this stuff for you, okay?
He has the insurance?
Yes, he has my insurance for the car, everything. He's like, we live 2 minutes away from him. He'll be here in 1 second.
Gotcha. Okay. I'm just concerned because, I mean, you told me that you showed it to me just now twice, but now you're saying that your brother has the insurance.
Yes, I did show the insurance card to the officer prior to you.
Okay, was that one expired or something, or...?
No, it wasn't expired.
Okay. Does he have the insurance?
Yes, he has it, and I have it in my car. My phone is about to die, so I didn't want to do too much.
Gotcha. Okay.
Was there something going on or what happened?
Oh, I don't know why he stopped you, to be honest with you.
Can you find out?
I just got you. He'll be out here in just a second.
Okay. You should find out before you just hover over people like his. Like, they're stupid.
No, so typically, especially in night shift, we just have 2 officers when normally we pull over her vehicle.
Any luck on the insurance?
No, she actually said that she gave it to you.
You never gave me the insurance. Did you have any luck pulling it up?
So I didn't give you your insurance?
You don't remember not giving me anything?
Don't worry, my brother's coming right now.
No. No one's gonna come.
No.
So what's gonna happen? I mean, if he's not gonna come to the traffic stop,
He's
so go
literally
ahead, hang up
right
the
now.
phone for me.
No, I'm not gonna hang up the phone.
Okay, so you're gonna get arrested for obstructing if you don't.
Let me talk to my lawyer.
Okay, so what
I'll call my lawyer. Let me call my
what
lawyer.
I'm gonna have you do is step out. No, step out.
Bro, you can't pull in my car? What the fuck you got? Bro, you can't pull in my car. I'm not gonna. No, you're not gonna pull in my car.
Step out.
Am I doing anything?
Step
I'm
out.
not bothering you.
Step
I'm not-
out.
Just step out of the vehicle.
You're
Step out.
grabbing me.
Step out.
You're grabbing me.
Stop. Get out.
You're grabbing
Stop.
me.
You need to get
You're
out.
grabbing me.
You need to get out.
You're grabbing me for no
Stop.
reason.
Hey, don't turn the car on. Get out. Come on.
Because I'm black?
No, it's because you have open container. Okay? Get out.
Show me the container.
Get out.
Show me the
Get out.
container.
Get out.
Just when lawful request was refused, every boundary was crossed, and the moment no one wanted officially arrived.
Literally, I'm not doing anything.
Step out. Okay, step out of the vehicle.
I'm not
You're
doing.
under arrest. You're under arrest.
No.
Get out.
Do the.
Get the phone.
Say the. Bro.
Stop. Well,
Okay,
you're under
let's
arrest now.
Okay.
You're under arrest. Get out. Get out.
Let's redo it.
Nope, we're done.
Let's redo it.
Get out. Get out of the car.
Bro, let's redo it.
Get out here.
Cause I didn't do anything wrong against y'all.
Switch.
Like for real. And you know it.
Get out.
I didn't do anything wrong against y'all.
Step
I ain't
out.
talking to y'all.
Step out.
No, for real. Like you know.
Step out of the vehicle. Ma'am, just step out of the vehicle.
Get out of the car.
I haven't done anything wrong against y'all.
Get out.
Like
Get out.
pulling my arm.
Yeah,
Get out.
step
He's
out of
pulling my.
Get the other arm.
Tell me what I haven't done. You have to read my rights. Read my rights.
Get out of the car.
Read my fucking rights.
Get out of the car.
Read my rights. Read my rights. Read my rights. Read my fucking rights.
Ma'am, just step out of the vehicle.
Did he read my rights?
Step out of the vehicle.
Did he read my rights?
Step out of the
Did he
vehicle.
read my rights?
Step out of the vehicle.
No, did he read my rights? Did he read my rights? Yeah. Bro, did you read my rights? Okay, that's fine. I have a lawyer. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do.
All right. So you're under arrest for obstructing resisting. Just ask you to step
Now
out.
you're reading my rights afterwards. You read my rights afterwards. According to my lawyer, you read my rights afterwards.
Here. Put
You
your knees
read
up.
my rights
Put your knees up.
afterwards.
Put your knees up.
You read my
Put your
rights
knees up.
afterwards. You read my
Stand up.
rights afterwards. You read my rights afterwards. You read my rights.
You're okay.
That's all that matters.
Sit her out.
No. You read my rights
All right,
after.
we're gonna stand up. All righty. Let's go.
They read my rights. You know me. I'm saying they read my rights after.
From argument to confrontation, from victim to handcuffs, this is the price of believing the law doesn't apply to you.
Cool it, everybody. And y'all doing this. No. I'm not taking off seat in the car. Until you understand.
Okay. So whatever happens.
What I gotta say.
Whatever happens.
Y'all do what the y'all want to do, right?
Watch your head, okay?
No, I'm not. Can y'all wait till my brother come here? I don't. No. I don't want to get in the car until I have a relative or somebody that I know with me.
This is his car, so you're gonna be fine.
This car.
It's my car. This is my police car.
The one that. Bro. Okay.
Remember? You remember me.
Why don't you just get in the car for us? We'll sort it all out later, okay?
That might be her brother that she called.
Yeah, she called.
Bro. I'm talking to my brother because he know. I fucking master. Who got a master's? You got a master's? Okay, you ain't got a master's. You got a fucking bachelor's degree. Who got a bachelor's? Oh, stop. I'm just saying.
Yeah, you're gonna catch another charge.
No, because you're trying to be like aggressive.
No,
Can I
you're
put your
pushing
point?
You're pushing us.
Because you're pushing me.
I'm not. I'm holding you here. I
Bro,
didn't push you.
I didn't do to you. Bro, I'm trying to go to a funeral. I have a funeral. my fucking family died. You're fucking being bullshit. And I'm being cool with y'all. For real.
Stop
like, for
pushing.
real. Like, for real. For real.
Okay, get in the car, please.
And I haven't been on any other shit.
No one else has like a double cage, right?
Oh, that's what you want, right? That makes you feel good, right? A double cage? As a white woman?
Take a seat.
Bro.
You have a double?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bring that over.
Yeah.
Are you good? Are you gonna go in the car?
Yeah, let me talk to my brother. That's all.
You can talk to him once you're in the car.
Nope. Once I'm out.
Okay, well then that's.
Wait a second. Wait. I'm sorry. Like, real talk. Are the kids good? Bro, are my kids good?
Put her feet in.
Bro, I'm putting on face. Oh, I feel so good. The black girls are trapped in the back of the car. Oh, I feel so happy. Yeah, okay. Oh, the black girl's so happy.
In Texas, a first-time DUI offense may result in fines of up to $2,000, jail time ranging from 3 to 180 days, and license suspension for up to 1 year. She faces multiple charges: DUI, resisting a law enforcement officer, obstruction, illegal transport of alcohol, speeding, driving without insurance, and expired vehicle registration. Texas law doesn't care how well you argue, it only cares whether you comply. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? From what seemed like a routine check, the mood suddenly flipped, the door stayed shut, the engine roared, and everything began spiraling out of control.
Set that stuff down, okay? I need your driver's license. I need you to open the door for me, okay? Hey, open the door. Hey! HA58, she's trying to take off on me if people can expedite. Open the door now. Put the car in park right now. Put the car in park right now. Put the car in park right now. Don't do that. Put your car in park right now. Put the car in park. Don't reverse. Hey, stop. Hey, stop right now! Stop your car!
Guns drawn, sirens cut, the space froze, leaving only cold, locked stares that signaled something very bad was about to happen.
Show us your hands! Hands! Show your hands! Kill sirens, guys. Kill sirens. We're in the Via 313. One at gunpoint. She's still in the car.
At Via 13, Pizzeria.
Show us your hands! Hands! Hey, guys. Let's call her back to Duffield's car. Driver, step out of the car right now!
And we have police canine. If you don't come out of the car, you're gonna get bit. Come out with your hands up or you're gonna get bit by the dog.
Amid the suffocating standoff, one unbelievable move left everyone stunned, something no one ever expected to happen, right in front of the police.
1532. She did that several times while she was with me.
Not sure if we advise dog out, dog out.
Copy, dog out.
Target team moving up. I'm going low.
Copy, reaching under airbag, throwing items in the back.
Dog in, dog in.
Keep your hands up! Hands up!
It's fine. Pull dog out.
Hey, pull the dog out. I can see her hand. She just has a phone in her hand right here. She's got a phone in this one.
I can't open.
Hey, hit the unlock. Okay, I'll unlock it.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Watch out for the dog.
There's a lot of open syringes on the floor. Yeah, she was just sitting there injecting needles in her arm while I was trying to get her out.
Hey, you okay?
Oh, I'm good.
I saw her hit you hard. You all right? She hit Stan hard.
Careful for needles, guys.
Maybe because you ran into one of those cars.
That was before. I'm saying, what was I doing?
When the final door finally swung open, nothing ended the way anyone expected, and the legal consequences that followed were the real knockout blow.
Walked up and she was literally just using. She was burning on a little can. I was about to inject. She looked up at me and then she instantly put the car in drive. It took her a second to figure it out and then she just backed into my car. Hey, what's your name? You have to tell me your name.
I plead the fifth.
What?
I plead the fifth.
You can't plead the fifth to telling me your name. If you don't identify yourself, I'm gonna add another charge. Or we can just do this. You were using drugs right in front of me. All right.
Hey, manager that would have video footage. Perfect.
We have a report that a male exited the vehicle as a cop arrived. We'll just double check so I can rule it out. Okay, officer shows up. That's okay.
You want me to slow it down just a bit?
Just there. Go back.
Oh, sorry. It only records when something moves right here, so it tends to lag, but...
So that person just probably, okay, they're probably associated with their vehicle here
yeah.
then.
And I was watching, I was in this window, and I never saw any other people around because I pretty much told everyone to go inside at that point.
No known person that left the vehicle.
Yeah, that was a good. I thought that was gonna be me, but she swerved at the last second and went to him. I was about ready to just come and end it, and then I was like, crap, I don't have my seatbelt on, so I slowed down, and she took that chance to swerve away from me and go straight into him. Okay. Did we find any loaded needles? Because she just shot herself up like 7 times as soon as I...
Yeah, I can't find any. I bet you she knew right where they were all at.
Okay, well, I mean, I saw her use it right in front of me, so she'll get possession either way.
I want to sincerely apologize to you for not finding her originally.
He was charged with multiple serious offenses, including aggravated assault, failure to obey police commands, multiple drug offenses, obstructing a law enforcement officer, and reckless driving. She received up to 5 years in prison in Utah, suspended sentence, and 15 months in county jail, serving 1 year.
No, there was no house I hit on Newtown Road.
Okay. Right now, I'm arresting you for resisting.
As the car smashed through the wall, the lies crumbled instantly, and the law stepped in without any mercy.
Come on out. Come on out.
No, no.
Ma'am, come out of the... I said step out. I said step out. Step out of the car. You're under arrest.
I don't think we need to do this.
I got it.
Well, you think wrong. Which I asked you several times. You refused to comply.
No,
It's okay.
it didn't have to go
No.
that way, did it?
Let's go. Come on. You are under arrest.
Please, I don't need to be manhandled.
Ma'am, I asked you.
On April 6, 2023, police were called to the scene after receiving reports of a suspected drunk driver. Upon arrival, they discovered not only signs of a crash, but also clear evidence of someone attempting to flee the consequences.
Doing all right. Looks like you're having a little car trouble.
I am.
So what happened?
I don't know.
Who are you talking to?
AAA. I live in the neighborhood. I'm good. We're all good here.
No, it's not good.
No, it's good because I'm not operating the vehicle. I'm not driving the vehicle, and we're all good.
No, you are operating the vehicle, ma'am.
No, I'm not.
You drove into a house.
No, I didn't.
You did. Actually, you did.
Excuse me. I'll call you back.
Well, you're on Google, so you drove into somebody's house.
Which house?
One down here on Newtown Road. So how much have you had to drink tonight?
On Newtown Road? Which
Right.
house on Newtown Road?
Was there another one you hit?
No, there was no house I hit on Newtown Road. Confused.
So, yeah, you seem a little confused. So,
No,
you've suffered a
I want
whole bunch of damage. Right. So, you... That's what I said. You know what I think? I think that that popped off right about there. You see the skid marks? And so when that popped off, she wasn't able to go any further.
She's like, well, it's kind of muddy. We'll block her in 4 low.
She was on the phone with AAA, and she's like, I'll call you back, I guess.
We'll be there about 8 a.m. to get you.
The SUV was spotted. The evidence was right in front of them. But instead of cooperating, the woman barricaded herself in the vehicle, refusing to step out. And when explanations no longer worked, the tension erupted.
Go ahead and step out of the car.
No, I'm not going to step out of the car.
Ma'am, you need to step out of the vehicle.
So on Newtown Road.
Regardless, let's get past that right now. You've hit a number of things. Okay, you went off the road, you hit a guardrail, you've got parts of the guardrail stuck in your grill. Okay?
I want to talk about the house.
All right, get out of the car.
No, I'm not going to get out of the car.
Ma'am, you need to step out of the car.
I want you to talk about...
Miss Peeler, why don't you go ahead and get out of the vehicle, okay?
I just want to talk about the house that you're talking about.
Okay. So you're saying you did not hit that house?
I just want to talk
Just the
about
guardrail. There is a house that got hit by something heavy, a white car. A white
I was
SUV.
not in a white car that hit
You're
a
not in a
house
white
because
SUV?
I wasn't near a house that hit a car.
Okay. So you did drive into a guardrail. You left the scene of an accident.
No.
You drove into a guardrail, right? Yes, there's pieces of the guardrail.
Okay, but I want you to talk about the house because...
No, you want to talk about it now.
No, I
You
want
want
to
to stop now. We are one step from me dragging you out of this car. Do you understand me?
You do not need to get...
No, you need to stop and listen.
No, because...
You need to stop and listen.
You need to stop and listen because I don't want to be bullied.
I'm trying to talk to you.
I know.
But you keep
But I
backtracking.
No.
What I'm saying is you wrecked your
understand.
car, you left the scene of an accident, okay?
The police warned her, but she deliberately ignored and resisted. In an instant, she went from being merely a suspect to a detainee under control. One decisive move turned the entire situation around.
I'm Officer Warman.
I know.
I haven't introduced myself. I'm introducing myself. That's fine.
I
That's
will
great.
pull that on, and I don't want to do. You are not listening because I want
What
to
I'm telling you is I'm about to pull you out of your car if you do not step out of this car.
No, I'm not doing anything wrong.
You crashed your vehicle. You fled the scene of an accident.
Third was a white SUV.
Okay.
But I want to understand
Okay. So you
what that
crashed
means.
your vehicle and you fled the scene of an accident.
No,
If you leave the scene of an accident,
I want
then
to
that is
understand.
fleeing. That's why I'm explaining it
But
to
I
you.
want to understand what you think that I did.
You crashed
but
your car
I want
into
to
it.
understand what we're talking about.
That's what I
When
keep telling you.
You say what I
Okay,
did.
ma'am, step out. Step out of the car.
No, I'm not going to
Okay,
step out.
ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, come out of the... I said step out. I said step out. Step out of the car. You are under arrest. Well, you think wrong. Which I asked you several times. You refused to comply.
It's okay.
Okay.
No,
It's okay.
it didn't have to go
No.
that way, did it?
Let's go. You are under arrest.
Please, I don't need to be manhandled.
Ma'am, I asked you about 15 times to step out of that car. You were given a law. It doesn't matter. You were given a lawful order to step out of the vehicle. You refused to do it. Good. Have a seat. You're driving while impaired, is what you're doing.
No, I
But go ahead and
wasn't
step in.
driving.
Sit down. Sit
I
down.
wasn't driving when
Sit down.
you...
Even under arrest, she stayed defiant, insisting on her innocence because the car wasn't moving, ignoring that just being behind the wheel can still be a violation.
No, you are going to remain cuffed.
Ridiculous.
Yeah,
Why?
absolutely is
I
ridiculous.
haven't done anything.
Move your leg. Ma'am. Okay. Move your leg. Ma'am. Okay. You're being completely
Oh my
uncooperative.
God. No.
Ma'am, we're not going to open the door because you've showed us that you can't just keep your legs in the car.
No, it's
Okay.
fine. I just don't want my arms. I'm not a menace to society, honestly.
Well, there's another officer on the way to talk to you, okay? Right now, I'm arresting you for resisting. Well, I was trying to explain it to you, but you refused to listen. So I'm not going to have any more conversation about it as of right now.
I'm not trying to be resisting.
Okay, trying to be and doing it are two different things, but like I said, we're not going to have any more conversation right now. All right, I need to not be banging on the doors and stuff,
They do
okay?
not need an ambulance. Just stating that they do not want to.
Right now you're under arrest, so you need to just hang out and wait.
Can we just uncuff me? Because
No.
Yeah. I was like,
No, you're going to remain handcuffed.
and I would like to use the restroom.
her to her? Yes. She said yes or no.
Take her over there and have her sign it.
Take it over there, have her sign it, put her name, sign it, put the time.
I'm not gonna sign anything.
What's that?
You don't want to sign?
Okay.
So refuse.
I went to use the restroom.
Okay.
Why?
Because you were under arrest for OVI.
For what?
OVI, operating a vehicle while under the
No,
intoxication.
you did not pull me over. I was
No,
not.
you crashed your vehicle. You crashed into a house.
I was
Okay.
not operating that vehicle when you pulled me over. So that's not.
You crashed into a house and you left the scene. Okay.
May I use the restroom, please?
Now, right this minute, you're gonna wait.
Okay, so when in this whole situation were you convicting me of this? You never breathalyzed me. You never pulled me over. I don't know why you're.
Okay.
I don't understand that. There's no proof.
In Ohio, charges like OVI, hit and run, resisting arrest, and obstruction can lead to up to 8 years in prison and $15,000, 0 cents, in fines, depending on severity. She was charged with the following offenses: operating a vehicle under the influence, OVI, leaving the scene of an accident, resisting arrest, and obstructing official business. Up next, a Karen sped through the street like a maniac, then looked utterly confused and asked, "What did I do wrong?" as she was cuffed for a DW.
You want to pick up your jacket, right?
Is there anything inside the car you would like to put in prison?
Wait, why am I being placed under DWI if I had 2 beers?
How can I prove that you only had 2 beers? You failed the field sobriety tests.
How? I did the 9 steps
You
and
failed.
I held my foot
You
up.
failed all the tests.
Ma'am, you didn't follow in that one direction.
When? Your body cameras are on?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So
That's
you
why.
asked me to take 9 steps forward and I did all of those perfectly.
Yes. The eye test.
And then-
the eye test you failed. And then the
Because
one
I felt
that's-
nervous. Like, I don't know you
Okay.
and I don't look at anybody in the eyes.
Let's walk
like,
over to your.
Police, with body cams rolling, pulled over a vehicle on River Road for speeding. The driver, polite, with complete paperwork, and no obvious violations. It seems straightforward, but the speed, the eyes, and the breath told a very different story.
You have your license, registration, insurance, please.
License?
Okay.
Give me a second.
Take your time. Thank you very much. No issues with your license? No issues with your license? At all? No? Okay. I ask everyone that. Give me 1 second. We'll be right back.
Her documents were in order, her tone calm, but what caught the officer's attention wasn't in her wallet. It was in her eyes and the way she spoke. That's when the situation officially took a turn.
Okay. Ma'am, where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
New York.
Where?
New York.
New York? Where in New York? Brooklyn? Okay. Were you at a restaurant or a bar or a friend's house?
Bar.
A bar. Okay. Did you have anything to drink when you were there?
2 beers.
You had 2 beers? Okay. Do you normally take any kind of medication, or did you take any kind of narcotics or anything tonight? Not whatsoever.
2 beers?
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Your first name?
Liva?
Liba? Okay, Liba. Give me 2 seconds. Just give me 1 second. We're right back. Told you I was going to get you one. Okay. Sitting on River Road by the park. I'm sitting on River Road by the park, and she flies by me going probably about 60 miles an hour, maybe even faster. Okay. By the time I catch up to her, halfway up Delfino, she failed to stop until she got here. Eyes extremely red. She actually got out of the car at one point and walked around saying, "Hey, one of my doors are open." I was like, "Just wait in the car," and she's like, "No, I think my doors are open." She stayed. She's coming from New York City, Brooklyn, and she had 2 beers there.
Is everything okay?
It's a good one. Ma'am, can you do me a favor?
From bloodshot eyes to unusual speed, every sign pointed the officers toward a field sobriety test. What started as a simple physical check quickly turned into an endless string of excuses.
I'm just going to go over to the sidewalk over here, okay? The way that you were driving, just very fast, very erratic, okay? I just asked you if you drank anything. You said you drank 2 beers. Would you consent to doing a field sobriety test?
I just wanted to get home, you know, like I'm just trying to...
No, I understand that, but the way you were driving, your eyes are very red, very watery right now. Like, even while I'm just speaking to you now, you're slurring your speech, right? There's a lot of things that...
An accent.
You consent to doing the field sobriety test? You're okay doing them?
Okay.
We're going to do them right over here. It's more flat, okay?
Okay, cool. No problem.
So it's 3 tests that I would put you through. The first one is I get to check your eyes. The second one's a walking test, and the third one's a balancing test.
No problem.
First question I have you, are you diabetic at all?
No.
Do you take insulin at all?
No.
What I want you to do is put your feet together, put your hands at your side, just like this. Okay, just like that. Okay, I know it's a little chilly out. Okay, we'll get this done then. Okay. Feet together, hands at your sides. I want you to stay like this for the entire test. Okay. Okay, so 9 steps, you count.
I start with my left and then right foot starts, right?
So you put your right foot
first.
Put your right foot in front.
Okay.
And then you're gonna start like that.
Okay,
So,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
all right, last test we're gonna do. Okay, it's called the 1 leg stand test. Put your feet together just like you have them. Your hands at your sides. When I tell you to start, you pick up whatever leg you choose, 6 inches off the ground, just like this. You count out loud until I tell you to stop. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 until I tell you to stop. Anytime you put your foot down during the test, just pick it right back up.
So do I count or are you just tell me?
You're going to count until I tell you to stop.
Okay. 16, 17, 18, 19.
After a string of excuses and failing 3 sobriety tests, the officers had no doubt left. The arrest for DWI was announced, but for her, the truth still hadn't caught up with the denial.
You want to pick up your jacket, right?
Is there anything inside the car you would like to put?
Wait, why am I being placed under DWI if I had 2 beers?
How can I prove that you only had 2 beers? You failed the field sobriety test.
How?
Okay.
I did the 9 steps
You
and
failed.
I held my foot
You
up.
failed all the tests.
Ma'am, you didn't follow in that one direction.
So you asked me to take 9 steps forward, 9 steps back. I did all of those perfectly.
Yes, the eye test.
And then-
the eye test you failed, and
Because
then the 1 leg
I felt
stand.
nervous.
Let's walk over to your car, okay?
Okay.
Just wait till I see your pass.
Your body
Yes, ma'am, that's correct.
and you call me.
You want to pick your jacket up, okay?
She was arrested for DWI and may face consequences such as license suspension, fines, or even jail time. Her uncooperative attitude and denial in the face of clear evidence could damage her image before a jury. Just a bit of alcohol, a bit of overconfidence, and one wrong decision can cost you everything. Being drunk is no excuse, and denial is not an escape. Society doesn't need more apologies after the crash. We need sobriety before the drive. Choose responsibility before you're forced to face the consequences. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? Just a few delayed answers and unfocused eyes. And a traffic stop that seemed routine suddenly veers in a direction no one anticipated.
You've had not 1 sip of alcohol.
No, I actually got off of work. I'm just tired. So I'm very surprised if you got calls about me because I just...
110% without doubt, because they gave us directions all the way to you stopping right here. Said you was passing on double yellows, running off the road.
Oh, I have not passed anything. I can say that 100%.
All right, maybe you didn't pass, but they said you were swerving over the lines.
No.
Running off the road.
It wasn't no swerving, no running off the road, none of that. I actually let vehicles pass me. That's why I pulled over, because it's actually an SUV that was running up on me. And so I pulled over to let them go across.
Okay. So how come your speech is so slow, lethargic, it's slurred? I can hear you slurring.
I am...
I mean, just shoot me straight. If you're drinking today...
I'm telling you. 100%. Like I just got off of work.
So you know where you are right now?
Oh yeah. I know I am on. I came from the job. I always say because they have all that construction, eagleness, and take this road all the way back around.
You know the name of this road though?
Oh no, I can tell you. This is, okay, the church is right there on eagleness, so that cross section is, I don't know, it's another road. And I take it all the way around, and I come back out to 441.
Another thing, I see one kiddo's in a seat, but the other one's not in a seat. Actually, it doesn't look like either one of them is in a seat, are they?
Okay.
Can you hand me your driver's license?
Yeah, yes. That's not cool. By something county like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Coming from work, so I know my job. If I just check out, I have a nursing license.
Okay.
A discovery in the backseat instantly changes the officer's tone. At that point, nothing is simple anymore.
I know I seem emotional.
It's not that. You seem intoxicated to me. I'm just going to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Can you get one
Like,
of them?
I can do a sobriety test. I'm pretty sure I can pass it.
Okay.
Some people, like, don't even, you know, I'm sorry.
You're fine. Step up here to my push bumper, okay?
I'm sorry, Helen. I'm back.
I don't know what you're saying, but can you just step back just for me? You're fine.
Yeah, it's okay. This way.
Just hang out just for a second. What are you doing? You said you wanted to do a field sobriety test, right?
Oh, yeah, I was just...
Okay.
I didn't know what to expect, so...
Do me a favor. Just back your car right into the curve
And
back
I
there,
can
almost
walk
just out
that.
of the curve, so you're
I
facing
promise
this way.
you I can walk with that.
You know, cars will be
But, yeah.
Okay. You do have duct tape?
I know I just want...
Okay.
Yeah.
Just block traffic for me.
Please. Thank you.
I'm just going to have her block traffic so we don't have to worry
Okay.
about cars coming through, you know what I mean?
I'm trying to drink Red Bull because I just got off. I just got off at 2. They caught me off at 2:45, and it's just not even 2:45.
Alright, so I can tell again, talking to you now, you're slurring.
Yeah.
So let me ask you again, have you had any alcohol?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, you're okay.
This is me. And you can visually...
Just a few brief checks, but enough to reveal a truth no one in the car was ready to face.
Oh.
What's the matter?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
I don't have insurance. I already went hospital. You're okay. Like, and we had to pay that bill.
Right in the middle, and then just walk back.
The purple.
Not yet. We're just gonna let you chill out for just a second.
And your help.
You know your mama's phone number?
Yes, of course. Of course, I can give you that.
Here, do me a favor.
Hang on, hang on.
Come stand on this line for me right here. I want you to stand on this line with your heels on the line and stand facing me. Thank you.
Yes.
So I want to confirm you're willing to do field sobriety for me? Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Hold on.
Yep.
Thanks.
Yep, that's not gonna work. Go ahead and stand up. We're gonna help you stand up. Okay?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Okay, there you go.
I'm sorry.
You're good, you're good.
I'm sorry.
Do me a favor, place your hands behind your back.
Yeah.
All right, at this time you're being placed under arrest,
That's
under suspicion
fine.
of DUI, okay?
That's fine.
I think you've been drinking. Stand up straight.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Go Double.
The click of handcuffs closes the final moment and opens the door to an irreversible chain of legal consequences.
Yeah. Stand up. What are you doing? You've been standing fine this whole time. Stand straight up. Let go.
Stand up. Come on. Which one's she going in? Mine. We just. That one. 1909.
Stand up. Come on. I know, I'm trying to help you. You gotta stand up though. Come on. Hey, don't make this harder. Don't make this harder.
No, I'm not.
Stand up.
Stand
up.
Come on.
Alright, have a seat right in here. Look up.
Yeah.
Have a seat right here.
Okay. Turn around, butt first. Okay.
Butt first.
Turn around.
Stand up. Put your foot in there. Put your leg in there.
Yeah.
Hey, go stand. Get in the car.
There you go. Yep, lift your leg.
You're
Lift
making
it.
this more difficult.
Lift it. Come on, turn around, butt first.
With Crystal.
There you go.
Oh, she's going down.
I got it.
I'm helping you. She is 10:15. Back to Lake. Have a 10:32 operator and route her to jail, please.
In Florida, a first DUI offense carries fines of approximately $500, 0 cents, $1,000 if the BAC is 0.15% or higher, or if there is a child under 18 in the vehicle. Fines increase to $1,000, $2,000, 0 cents. Jail time can be up to 6 months, or up to 9 months if the BAC is high or a child is present. License suspension ranges from 180 days to 1 year. She is arrested on suspicion of DUI and taken to jail while the 2 children are comforted by police and placed into safe care according to protocol. Just one, I'm fine, drive. And in Florida, the price is never light. Hey everyone, what do you think about this situation? A car is reported stolen, a rookie officer behind the wheel, rapid instructions pouring over the radio, and what seemed like a routine shift suddenly turns into a high-stakes pursuit.
Status J, we're running the red light at 75th and 39, continuing east on Roosevelt. Speed's going.
Watch the stop sign here. Watch the stop sign. You're good. Just breathe. Slow. Watch here. Watch here. Watch here. Watch here. Go.
As the trap is deployed, no one knows whether the vehicle will stop or push the situation completely out of control.
Stop. You're good. You shut it down for us. Copy. Phone passing, snap on. No, just leave the lights alone. They're excited to run. I want you. Just be careful here. Careful here. Good. Get in between. Get in between. Slow down. Slow down. Got him.
In just one split-second loss of control, the entire pursuit changes direction. But Karen's chaos is only just beginning.
Hands right now! Show me your hands! Hands up! Get your hands out of the vehicle! One occupant! One occupant! I'm going one occupant. Side. I'm going with him, driver's side. I'm going driver's side. Do not move! Do not move! Step out of the car! Step out of the car! Get out of the car right now! No! Get out of the car! Get on the car! Get on the car!
Stay on the ground. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Put your hand behind your back. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. All right.
Can y'all get off of me?
Do not hang tight. Hang tight. We have a few things we need to do.
Ow!
Okay, one is checking.
Y'all hurting me.
We're not doing
I'm in
anything.
handcuffs.
Yep.
Get off of me. Ow!
Screaming, handcuffs tightening, and the familiar complaints. The pursuit is over, but the consequences are not.
Get the off of me.
Yeah, make sure you're
Y'all hurting me. What is you doing? Get off of my legs. Get off of my legs.
Roll it. Roll it. There we go.
Oh my, can you pull my shirt up?
Oh, there we go. All right, so we're going to go ahead and roll to your side. Roll this way.
No, just help. Just
okay.
Get me up.
Bring your knees up.
Bring your knees up
to your chest. Bring your knees up to your chest.
Can y'all just pull me up?
Bring your knees to your chest, man.
This stuff hurt.
Bring your knees to your chest, man. We're going to sit up on your butt. There you go. Now stand up. There you go.
Let
I'm
me
just
go.
checking your handcuffs so they don't tighten down on you.
They too tight.
No, they're not, because you can spin your hand so you're fine.
Can y'all get my phone, my ID, and my money? In my bags. I need everything out that car.
She is charged with fleeing from police, driving without the owner's permission, and causing property damage. She is found guilty and ordered to pay $2,650, 0 cents in restitution, has her license revoked for 1 year, and receives 2 years of probation. In a gripping case where law, politics, and accountability collide, an elected official found themselves in legal trouble after crashing into 2 parked cars amid allegations of drunk driving.
Yeah, so can you exit?
I can.
Okay, please do. I'm waiting for you. Ma'am, we know you're good. We heard you, but you need to step out so we can see if you're good.
I'm fine.
Okay, I know you're fine. Just exit the car then.
I don't have to exit the car.
Yes, you do.
On November 10th, 2024, Chicago police pulled over Samantha Steele, a Cook County Board of Review commissioner, after she crashed into 2 parked cars. Officers suspected she was intoxicated, but she refused to cooperate by declining to provide her driver's license and insurance information despite her legal obligation.
Do you need an ambulance or anything? Let's walk to your car because I don't want you to get hit by a car, okay?
Well, I'm a...
Yeah, I see that's your car. Here, ma'am, right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Right over here. Okay, you start off with your driver's license, please?
Sure.
Why don't you have a seat in your car, man?
Okay.
Let's start off with your driver's license and your proof of insurance, okay?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, he wants a driver's license and a proof of...
Who's this?
My attorney.
Your who? Your attorney? All right, you can call him in a little bit because right now everything's recording audio and video, okay? But you're involved in a traffic accident. I'd like to see your driver's license and your proof of insurance.
Ask him.
Okay, he's not driving, dear.
Just hang up, Samantha, and I'll be there. Tell him I'm on my way.
Yes.
He's on his way.
Yes. He said you'll be on your way. Okay?
Yeah,
Let's start off with your driver's license And you're
I'll wait for him.
I know, ma'am, but I need to see your driver's license to verify you're okay to be driving. And number 2, your insurance, so we can start the paperwork. There's some damage done to your car. Okay, ma'am, do you want me to handcuff you and arrest you?
No.
Because right now, at this point, you're refusing to provide me any...
I am.
You are. You realize that, right?
Yes. I've been elected official.
You what?
I don't want any of this.
Well, ma'am,
I'll
you're
wait
involved
for
in an
him.
accident. You've hit several cars.
2.
So, yeah, I need to see your driver's
Because
license so I can
someone
start the paperwork.
pulled out in front of me and
Okay, great. I'll ask you that in a second.
The officers repeatedly ordered her to step out of the vehicle for an investigation, but she resisted, insisting she was waiting for her lawyer. She only complied when officers prepared to use force to remove her.
I'm trying to I'm just trying to work with you here. But you're not providing me your driver's license and insurance.
Nope.
And why are we waiting for your attorney for?
This is my friend.
He's your friend. Okay, but he wasn't here in the car.
Nope.
Okay, you want to give him a call?
He's coming.
Okay. You want to give him a call so I can talk to him?
You want to talk?
Yeah, please.
Officer wants to talk to you.
Okay. This is Officer Fernandez from the 20th District. Whoops. Oh, how are you? Your client here. Your client here was involved in an accident. How far are you? Hello?
Like 25 minutes.
Okay, I need to see her driver's license and her proof of insurance. And she's understanding that she doesn't have to provide that to me until you arrive. Can you advise your client
That is not.
that...
I would be happy to advise her what the law is.
Okay, please, can you advise her so I could get this paperwork started?
I will.
Great, thank you.
Absolutely,
Now you listen
sir.
to
I'm
him?
sorry about that.
Steele refused to take a field sobriety test, even though officers detected alcohol on her breath. After her repeated non-compliance, police arrested her for DUI, driving under the influence, and transported her to the station.
Now you can hang up the phone, ma'am.
No.
We're still doing our investigation.
My attorney.
Okay. Now, tell your attorney, since he's on the phone, are you going to do field sobriety test or no?
No.
Okay.
No,
Are you being arrested? You say no. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that. We were waiting for that. Because she just refused. I asked her to do field sobriety test and she refused. And she smelled like alcohol. She's been drinking. Oh, so you've been recorded all this time. You've been recorded.
Yeah.
All right?
I'll be there in 5 minutes. They just would wait
5 minutes.
until I get there.
She's under arrest right
Give
now.
her my purse. Take the
Here,
purse.
take the purse. Thank you.
I'm not going.
Okay. 063.
Let's hold on.
31.
Can you give him 5 minutes? I'm not that.
No, we're not giving him any minutes.
20
She's been drinking. She struck a bunch of cars. Okay? She struck a bunch of cars. We're taking you in.
Get on your side.
Have a seat, miss.
I can't. She's in.
All right. You got a small wrist? No, we have to.
No.
You want to do the field? You want to do the field? We ask you to do it and you say no.
You guys are so like...
This is tight.
During her arrest, Steele mocked the officer's appearance and was found to have an open bottle of wine in her car, further strengthening suspicions of drunk driving.
Oh, I do feel a sobriety test.
All right, do it. All right, come on. This way. This way. How's your head? Your head
I
is
hit
good?
my head.
You hit your head? When?
When I hit the car.
You want an EMS? You want to call an ambulance?
Yes.
You want us to call an ambulance for you?
That would be good.
Okay, we'll call an ambulance.
But I can do the sobriety.
You can do it?
Yes.
You sure? Okay.
No.
So
I
put
want the ambulance.
both feet together like this.
Yes, I would like an
Okay.
ambulance.
Put both feet together.
I would like an
Can you do
ambulance. Yes, I can put both feet together.
Hands together like this. Like, just letting you know you're under arrest. So now when we go to the hospital, you're still under arrest.
Okay.
What happened to them? What happened? Just what happened?
I don't know. I was driving.
Okay. Where were you coming from? Where were you coming from?
My friends. Are you
20 North on Aspen.
No, I'm just, yeah.
It's fine.
Where were you were you drinking?
No.
No?
No.
Are you,
Don't answer any questions according to
Man, if you're going to be interrupted, then probably have it said over here. Because you're interfering right now in an investigation.
It's fine.
So what happened just right now here? I know, but where were you coming from prior to that?
They pulled me out of the car. I don't know.
Okay. All right. Are you like, did you take any meds today?
No.
No? I just want to see if you're like safe to go home.
I'm
You have
fine
to
to
submit
go
like a
home.
few tests for me. Are you willing to do it? It's up to you. I'm not forcing you. It's up to you.
No.
It is what it is. I mean, I smell alcohol, so it is what it is. You're gonna get under arrest for DUI.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
I mean, what do you mean no?
No. Wait for my attorney.
What do you mean, no?
Talk to my attorney.
Yes, we're gonna wait here.
No, he could come to the station. She's gonna get under arrest for.
Here.
Due to the DUI charge, her driver's license was suspended for 1 year. However, her attorney successfully reinstated it just a month later due to a technical error in the police paperwork.
The car is undrivable, so we have to tow it from the scene. Okay. You want to talk to me? All right, let's go. Right here. Come on, over there, please. Thank you, Sam.
DUI violated Illinois' DUI law under Section 625 ILC S5/11-501, which prohibits driving under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or intoxicating substances. Her failure to present identification after the accident violated Section 625 ILCS 5/3727, which requires proof of insurance to be carried. Her refusal to comply with officers' commands during the investigation could result in additional obstruction of justice charges under Section 720 ILCS 5/311. Each offense carries serious penalties, including jail time, fines, increased insurance costs, and potential damage to her political career. Ultimately, Steele is set to appear in court in March to face DUI charges. Under Illinois DUI laws, a first-time offense can result in jail time, up to 364 days, fines, license suspension, probation, and mandatory alcohol education programs. While first-time offenders sometimes avoid jail, her refusal to cooperate and her mockery of law enforcement could influence the judge's decision.
Put your hand behind your back. Get out of the car.
No, thanks. Where is that?
We're giving you a lawful order to step out
Where
of the
is
vehicle.
the obstruction of justice?
You're not listening.
On the evening of November 4th, 2023, the police received a report from a resident about a car playing loud music, causing serious disruption to the surrounding area. Upon arriving at the scene, they discovered a woman sitting in the car appearing unconscious, adding an air of mystery to the situation. Was this just a routine incident, or was something more suspicious at play?
What's going on? Why are we out here?
We're trying to...
Okay.
We gotta open
Yeah, of course she's up and talking. All right, why don't you get out of the car?
All right.
You been drinking tonight?
No.
No? Did you use anything tonight?
No.
No? All right, shut your car off. No, she's up. What's going on?
Nothing.
No? All right, well, we got a call that you're playing real loud music, and I come up to the car and you're passed out. Well, that's an issue.
No, it's not.
Okay. Well, you're clearly under the influence. You're clearly under the influence of something. I had a.
How?
What's that?
How?
How? Because I can smell alcohol.
Okay,
Okay.
where is it?
I don't know.
So...
Okay. So
I'm clearly
wait,
doing
stay
what?
right there. Stay right there. Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Let me see it.
When I'm ready, I
Nope.
will.
Give me your ID.
When awakened and asked to turn off the car's engine, the woman immediately displayed uncooperative behavior. She refused to provide identification and continuously argued with the police, insisting she had violated no laws. What will this tense standoff lead to?
You shut the car off.
That was a bad move.
No other. Let me see your ID.
You want my ID?
Yeah. You have your ID on you?
Yeah, come get it.
Let me see.
361 Medixton. Brown or social question.
What's up? Oh, perfect. All right. Why don't you step out of the car?
No.
What's up? What are you reaching for? Chips?
Right?
Okay, yeah, you have your ID?
Yeah.
Oh, your ID is underneath you here.
Yeah.
You're sitting on it. No, you're sitting.
Where I'm at. I'm sitting where I'm sitting. And you're waking me up and you're disturbing my peace. So please take your life.
Listen, the reason we were here. No, listen.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please turn that light
No,
off.
listen, the reason we're here is because you were sitting here playing real loud music.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm allowed to do what I want to do.
Well, no, because you were disturbing the
Can't
peace,
I?
so.
How not?
Why don't you put that down? It's on, okay? Just have to let you know that.
As the officers approached the car, they immediately noticed a strong smell of alcohol emanating from inside. Upon opening the car door, 2 small liquor bottles fell to the floor, further fueling suspicions that the woman had consumed alcohol. Despite this, she vehemently denied all accusations and kept presenting arguments to justify her actions. could the secrets behind her denials make the situation even more dramatic?
I just have to tell you, that's all. So how much have you had to drink tonight? How much alcohol have you had? Other than these 2 little airplane bottles, that just fell out of your car when you opened the door, so. It did. When you just opened the door, it just fell out because it wasn't there when I walked up.
It was.
No. Why don't you give me your ID? Give me your ID, please. You're sitting on it.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, you're just putting your jacket on? Okay, that's fine. I need your ID.
You're demanding too many things.
Well,
Police
you're
officer.
not listening to anything, so.
No, I don't want to listen to anything. Put your wallet back on.
Let me see your ID.
The police requested that the woman step out of the car for a breathalyzer test, but she steadfastly refused, challenging the officer's authority. She loudly declared that she was not obligated to comply with these requests, intensifying the tension and unpredictability of the situation. How will this dramatic confrontation end?
Why don't you step out of the car and we'll do some field sobriety tests. Or I'm not asking you anymore, just get out of the car.
I have my key.
No.
Yes. Goodbye. You're wrong. Now step out of my way, please.
Get out of your car.
No.
We have...
Yeah, I'm testing you.
Just get out of the car.
I'm testing you. So
Why,
let's
by
go.
sitting there?
Yeah.
Either get out of the car, or I'm going to drag you out of the car, and you're going to go in handcuffs. So you can either come out and cooperate, or I'm just going to pull you out of the car.
Hey, you have no other option here.
Either get out of the car willfully, or I'm just going to pull you out of the car.
And then you're going to be under arrest. So those are your options.
For what?
Obstruction.
Under arrest for what?
Obstruction of justice.
Where is that?
We're giving you a lawful order to step out
Where
of the
is
vehicle.
the obstruction of justice?
You're not listening. I'm telling you to get out of the car.
Right.
Okay. So either get out now, or I'm just going to pull you out of the car.
And then you're
the
under
wrong
arrest.
And then you're going to...
moving the wrong way.
Okay, but we're asking you.
After numerous warnings went unheeded, the police were forced to use physical measures. The woman was pulled out of the car and handcuffed to ensure safety during the investigation. Throughout this process, she persistently resisted and loudly criticized the officer's actions, escalating the tension further. What will the next steps for both sides be?
Put your hand behind your back.
To my right.
Sit up. Stay right there. Don't move.
We gave you ample opportunity.
Stand up.
You minded your own business. I minded my own business. I didn't allow you to get in my car and move your fucking flashlight, so don't move your flashlight. I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed. No, you aren't.
Stand right here.
You aren't.
Stand up against your car.
Give me a cigarette. Stand against my car with my back turned. Go ahead. Officer, try me, test me, play me.
Well, it's too late for that now.
Yeah, it's too late. You're right. So call who you gotta call.
You're going to jail. So
What did I do, officer? Officer. Officer. Ow, officer. You're pinching too hard. What
just
did I
holding
do?
your... Walk that way.
What did I do?
Walk.
No.
You're under arrest.
No, thank you.
There's no, there is no thank you.
Officer, no, it is a yes, thank you. And you're about to learn a lesson. You're not learning.
Get in the car.
When placed in the patrol car, the woman continued to react strongly. She claimed that she did not deserve to be treated this way and repeatedly demanded that the handcuffs be removed. The police stood firm, explaining that this measure was necessary to ensure public safety.
Go ahead, speak your truth. Go ahead, speak your truth.
Stay in the car.
Speak to God.
Sit back.
I will when I'm ready. Give me a cigarette, because my hands are right here. Feel them. They're warm. Right. Thank you.
You good?
Yeah. Stupid what? Stupid what? I know what I'm doing. You follow me. Keep doing it. All right, yeah. Yep, thank you. No, can you let me out here, please? What you guys agreed on? One word. Let me out here. Because you agreed that you were going to let me go. Right here. My wings are shaking. I'm not going to. No, allow that. Please, officer, please. If you know it's good for the goose, it's good for the gander. So turn to the right. Turn to the right. Alright, you're not good for the fucking gander. Yeah, I got an ID. Come on, 69 with me. Let's go.
After a dramatic night of kicking, shouting, and refusing to leave her car, the woman might reflect on this experience as a masterclass in what not to do during a DUI arrest. At least she got one thing right. She certainly left the officers with a lasting impression. And probably a story to tell at every department holiday party.